video for the Xtend SmartWatch. This is the packaging of the Xtend SmartWatch, which is delivered from the Amazon.in. This is not a sponsored video, so we will open this. This is a small box for the Boat Xtend. This is, as you can see, it is written as Alexa built-in. Boat Xtend. It is, as you can see, the 1.69 screen display, and also the stress monitoring is available in this watch. It also has customizable watch faces which one can customize as his or her use. So at the back of the box it is written as push beyond your limits, as the brand suggests, and also there are various notifications, real-time notifications and vibration alerts, and it is dust and sweat splash resistant, and it is also water resistance. It also gives the 14 sport modes with automatic motion recognition, and also heart rate, blood, and everything is what a person asks is everything. And talking about the costing of this watch, I have bought this watch from the Amazon.in for a price range of 3500, which I think is a good watch with all these various functions and functionality. So let's now open this box. This is the opening, and what we see is the Boat watch, and this is the data cable for charging this watch. This is the magnetic adapter which we can put it at the back of the watch, and it is easily chargeable. These are some paperwork, 1-year warranty is there, and these are some wasteful papers. This is the watch, and it has a boat sticker, and the bands are very good quality, like we can stretch it. And at the back of this it has various sensors, and there is a small mic over here, as you can see, which will enable the Amazon Alexa. Talking about the accessories in this watch is like a sticker of boat which you can use in the daily life. This is a page which is of no use. This is a data cable for which you can charge your watch, and this is the guide of which will be helpful to you to operate your watch and use the various functionalities in it. This is a 1-year warranty card which the boat provides. If you have any issues, you can call to this number and use this to claim your watch.
Don't stop, don't stop.